Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we all doing today? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Luis? What's up, Gabriel? What's up, Michael? What's up, Chosen One? Yeah, guys, there was a lot of fake outs this morning. A lot of fake outs. We had a fault, we've been actually, not even joking, jokes aside, we literally been seeing, a lot of false breakouts, and then they just rip up massively in the other direction. We had a false breakout to the downside, and then it literally ripped up, 130, 140 points. And then it dumped hard again. And now, at the moment, it looks like it's just dumping right now, so we'll see. Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of fake outs, guys. Thank you, Luis. Tradeify, TakeProfitTrader, MyFundedFutures, Lucid, they're all solid firms. Luis. Thank you, Brian. Yeah, just keep those accounts cash until they fix it. Because, yeah, you don't want to trade it. You already have the accounts locked in, Brian. If anything, Brian, just trade, one micro today to count it as a trading day, and then hopefully it'll count it, and then they fix it, and then you get it passed or something. So just maybe trade one micro just to flip and just call it, but nothing more than that. What's up, Zach? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, Michael, wherever you guys are. Yeah, it's moving pretty zigzaggy. We formed this range right here, and it looked like it kept trying to break out, but then it just fell right back. Whoa, fell right back into the range. A lot of fake outs, so that's what we got to be cautious about. Miss Trader, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, that would suck. Fuck. Do we have a government shutdown today? I don't know, do we? Do you guys know? But yesterday, guys, we had 3 losses and 1 winner. And we were right on 2 of the losses, but we got stopped out. So we're going to have to size down to 4 micros and have a bit wider stop. That's what I'm going into today. Yeah, Michael, today, and honestly, this whole week has been pretty bad price action. Especially Monday through Wednesday this week has been, really bad. Monday and Tuesday was just stupid, slow, choppy, reversals, fake outs. Wednesday, FOMC just formed a range, a weird range. Yesterday, we saw some good movement, but I got in at the worst timing. So yesterday, we did see some movement. Today, a lot of people saying that they got faked out a lot. But it looks like we're pushing down to the downside right here, finally. Finally break out this range. That gains? Yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Especially in the morning when you get that first cup of sip of coffee. You're like, fuck, man. Damn, Eric. It sucks, man. It happens, but you just gotta live and learn with it. You got we gotta learn not to force ourselves this week. This week has been pretty bad for me, honestly. We're down $700 on the week, so we're down 70 points. I'm trading 5 micros, so honestly not too bad. We had a losing day on Monday for 300, 330 or something. No trades on Tuesday. I was pretty happy with that day, honestly. It was a really good stream, even though we didn't take trades. We were very disciplined. Wednesday, I should have just called out that win, but we ended up... The fact that I lost 4 trades that day, 2 break-evens and 1 winner, and I still managed to be break-even on the day, up $2.50, I'll freaking take it. Yesterday, we lost 385. Pretty bad. 3 losers, 1 winner. So it's just knowing when to slow down. So I'm going to go a little more cautious today, especially since it's a Friday and this week's price action has been dog crap for me personally. So we'll see. Yeah, Chosen One. Yeah, a lot of people have been trading gold and silver. I just can't imagine silver, man. You guys saying 1 micro is $1,000 for 1 point. I'm like, that's fucking crazy. I'm like, I don't even know how you guys can trade that, honestly. 1 micro. Just 1 micro. We're sending ships to Iran. Yeah, we'll see what happens, Noodles. I don't know, like, see, we've been seeing, like, these breakouts to the downside, but then, like, it just pops right back up. That gains, I don't know, I don't think I have done that part. Non-trading mistakes, Eric, yeah. It happens, man. Perry's, did Top Step get rid of gold and silver for you guys? Because I know, like, some people have been running, like, massive balances on them. Like, I saw a dude with, like, literally $170,000 in one XFA. I'm like, and he's trading gold. I'm like, holy crap. 170 racks on gold. One XFA, guys. Dude, you could literally just flip, get the max payouts, 5 payouts, and then get moved to a live with, like, 150 grand. Dude, hell yeah, dude. Lock it in. The fuck? Vivian, yeah, I've been very close numerous times like that. It's very annoying, but you can't let it get to you, man. What's up, Internet? Yeah, apparently, we're doing something with Iran or something. Crazy shit. Dude, you made $900 in 4 seconds is crazy. What the heck? No, I heard it was very volatile, and I'm like, I don't even want to bother with it, honestly, because I know if I get into it, it might not end well. They say you're gonna have a really good day with gold or silver, or you're gonna have a really bad day, so probably gonna stay out of it. I'm gonna trade the Nasdaq. Yeah, because it's a completely different instrument, moves completely different. I've always traded Nasdaq. It works for me. Most people trade NQ anyways. Crazy, yeah, Michael. Yeah, if that guy blows that 170 grand, I'm gonna be quite... I'm gonna be like, bro, come on, man. Don't fumble the bag. Bro, 150 racks, 170 grand in a XFA is crazy. I'm like, what the heck? Imagine that was a real live account, though. Like, your own personal. Hey, man, that's a great week. Then against, I don't know. They could run. They could run. I don't know. We shall see. Oh, Chosen, when I bet you were, man. The fact that you're up $900 in 4 seconds is freaking crazy. I can't imagine trading that stuff. Crazy. And that's with one contract, yeah. That's ridiculous. Exactly, Internet. I mean, dude, that is a yearly salary. 170 racks, that's more than a yearly salary. That's like 2 years worth of work, 8 hours a day, every 5 days a week. 2 years. You made that in like, what, a week? Trading gold? Buddy, call it up. Lock it in, man. Lock it in and just trade propfirms, bro. Literally. Yeah, if I made 170 racks on a XFA and I was getting the max payouts and I was literally getting a 150 grand live account, I'm taking a full month off. You're right, man. You best believe I'm taking a month off. Fuck. That's a 2-year salary for most people. Not even a yearly, like a 2-year. That's crazy. Yeah, Amphi, the market was pretty, I heard it's been pretty bad today. It's a lot of fake outs and shit, so we're gonna be a little more cautious going into today. We got a new 5-minute right now, 15-minute. What's up, Discipline Futures Trader? What's up, man? Yeah, Internet, I've had numerous days or numerous times where I got like a big payout, or like on the options days especially, I had like a massive winning day, And literally the rest of the week, I was like, dude, I could do it again. And then I ended up blowing most of the gains. And I'm like, what the fuck? I could have just stopped and walked away. Guys, a lot of people can make money. But the key real defense is defense. You gotta defensively protect your capital. Yeah, if I made 170 racks in a month, the first month of January, I'm taking at least 2 weeks off probably. Well, at least minimum 1 week or 2 weeks. If anything, I would never trade that account, get the payouts, and then wait for it to go to live, and then maybe just trade like prop firm accounts on the side. Like a small risk, you know? Just get like five accounts or something. Yeah, just take it slow. What's up, John? What's up, brother? What's up, David? MK, this is the 5 minute. 5 minute. Good luck, John. Good luck, John. Vivian, dude, that's what I'm saying with these prop firms. Like, the leverage is insane. Like, yeah, it's very hard to get a payout and everything, but if you're, like, consistently doing good and you're reinvesting your prop, like, you're constantly, like, bringing, like, payouts in and you're doing great, obviously a lot easier said than done, but there's some people doing it out there, and then you just, like, multiply, like, hey, 5-10 accounts, same thing, $200 to $500 a day or something. That adds up real quick. The leverage is insane with a prop firm. Alright, let's see if it wants to continue lower or it just wants to play this funny business and do a reversal. But we're going to go a little more cautious today. Yeah, M5. And it also, guys, it also is a Friday. It is a Friday. And we had pretty bad price action this week. So, got to be a little more cautious, guys. Gabriel, take it slow, brother. Take it slow. Yeah, Venture. Yeah, the vault. I don't know how you guys can trade silver. Like, you guys were explaining to me the other day, like, how one micro with 1 point is $1,000. That's freaking crazy. Good morning, Twain. What's up, Perp? God damn. Excuse me. Yep. This price action has been pretty bad for me, though, this week. Not gonna lie. We're down 700 on the week, but, I mean, guys, we still have $1,000 left on these accounts. Like, we got this. We got this. Yeah, that's why I like prop firms, guys. Like, your max risk is, like, how much you buy the account for. That's what I love about it. You already know your max loss. Jeez. Burger King? Casinator with the Baconator? Yeah. The Baconator? That sounds kind of good. Yeah. I love Casinator, that name. The Casinator name is like... I've had it since middle school. One of my friends was like, yo, my name is Casinator, and I don't like haters. And he made like a little rap song. I was like, oh, Casinator, yeah. And I'm like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Like, what, you know, Casey Trades, like, no, we need Casinator Trades. Casey with Casinator Trades. 2650. Yeah, that is the low of the day at the moment. Yeah, Casinator the Terminator eating the Baconator. Alright, new 5-minute right here.
Order filled.
I'm going to try a breakout to the upside. I'm going to have a wider stop. 20 points. Because I've been getting stopped out. I've been right yesterday. but getting it at the worst timings, and I think that was kind of a bad timing, honestly. But my stops were too tight. Like, I was having like, what, 10, 15 point stops, and I was getting stopped like pretty quick. So we're sizing down to 4 micros to adjust with that bigger stop. But this is not looking good. I'm going to see a breakout to the upside like quick. We've been seeing a lot of reversals, so that's what I'm kind of going for right here. Breakout to the upside. What a lady. Yeah. Hey, do you know my name is Casinator? Like, Casinator? Oh, we gotta give you a Baconator, brother. Yeah, that was a pretty bad entry, honestly. Oh, man. The Beardinator? John loves the beard, man. Thank you, John. Casinator with the Beardinator, also known as the Terminator, eating the Baconator. Drinking coffee from the percolator. Oh, dude, we're hitting it right now. Tradeinator, yeah. We have everything Nader. Dude, a lot of shit rhymes with it, too. Or I would like to see a breakout now, the fact that I was in drawdown right away. Go. Just go. Casinator, let's go. Dude, it was so funny. Okay. I want to tell you guys. It was so hilarious. My friend goes on runs a lot, right? He's the one that kind of got me into running, so shout out to you. Shout out to you, brother. He got me into running a little more. And then, okay, we're going to move our stop to break even. Nice. We got to see this go now. And... fuck, I got to focus on this. Focus. Hey, hand over mouth. Focus. Okay, that's a nice swing. That's exactly what I was looking for. Very nice.
Order filled.
We're going to trim 1 micro right there. Because it could just do a big pullback and a yeet it, and I do not want to be stuck in that. So we have 3 micros on these accounts. 3 micros each. Yeah, I'll answer chat and tell the story after this trade. I gotta focus. We can see another nice push-up gap up right here. I mean, guys, so it's literally been doing this mumbo-jumbo, big reversal, fake-out crap. So we're just kind of following the market with that, I guess. I don't know. What is that, 50 points? Almost. Close. 45 points.
Order filled.
Trim another. 2 micros.
Order filled.
I'll take it. Honestly, that was a nice first trade. So we took a breakout to the upside. I was literally in drawdown right away, and I did not. It literally almost stopped us out. So guys, we were right yesterday on those 2 trades, and the first one ran literally 100 freaking points. The other one ran like 40, 50. We were right, but we got freaking stopped out, and then it ran up in our favor. So we sized down to 4 micros, and now we're having like a 20, 25 point stop. So we can work with that. Okay. Where did I leave off? Damn, Tommy, sorry to hear that, man. But you got, what, Tommy, you got like, what, 13 grand in payouts with those accounts? I mean, bro, that's fucking awesome, man. Congratulations. I mean, who cares if you lost it, man? You got 13 racks in payouts. You can literally, like, you can buy like 5 50Ks for like $450 with Top Step. Yeah, Dab, this was a very tricky day, honestly. Same thing like this week. This week has been very, very tricky. Vibrator. Yeah, that's hilarious. Yeah, guys, this is not just a trading stream anymore. We're doing like rapping. We're doing motivation. We're hyping it up. We're talking about life and shit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I was trimming because, guys, it does a lot of pullbacks. Like, it does, like, these big rips up, and then it just, like, yeets and pullbacks. So that's why we're trimming more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tommy, these are, the fundeds. These are the fundeds. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Guys, you know, like, yeah, $2,000. If you make $2,000 a month salary in another country, like the Philippines, for example, you live like a king there. Like, we were talking about it yesterday with my mom and, like, another lady from the Philippines. She's like, yeah, my husband in the Philippines, we have, like, they literally have a maid, and they pay her like $200 a month USD for a maid. I'm like, $2,000 a month USD goes so much, like, further. Like, you live like a king in other countries. It's crazy. I'm like, dude, $200 a month to be a maid? I mean, dude, that's fucking slavery here. Like, what the fuck? $200? People make that's like $200 a day here. Normal job. Nice, Tommy. Nice. Yeah, guys, yeah, well, I was on a run, and then he's like, oh, we're just gonna go on, like, on a quick run. I'm like, okay, whatever. Yeah, I'll go on a run. I don't really run. And then we ended up running six miles, and I'm like, what the heck? And I'm like, I thought we were gonna run like maybe 1 or 2. 6 miles. And I haven't ran in a long time. And I'm like, the first break was after 2.5 miles. Like, holy crap, I actually did that. Dude, my feet were so hurt and everything. And at the very last end, the last 3 miles, the last mile, he was like ahead of me, and he just yells, come on, Casinator! Dude, I got the biggest burst of energy. I just went, like, straight up sprinted to the finish line. I was like, oh my gosh, I had the biggest energy right there. Oh, man. It's crazy. Yeah, $200 a month USD. And they say that's, like, good pay, too. Like, they're paying a little higher than other people, which is, I'm like, that's, like, absurd. Dude, that's crazy. $200 a month? Honestly, probably not, honestly. I like it here. I like it here in the U.S. I like to visit there, you know, but I wouldn't live there, no, honestly. Yeah, yeah. Hey, Gaines. Hey, who's gonna row the boats? Who's gonna row the boats? Oh, David Goggins. Yeah, we should just have like a David Goggins inspiration playing in the background. Like, is that all you got? Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, it's a third world country. Like, everything is so cheap there. Hey, did you guys see that video of the guy in the Philippines? He had a freaking RPG trying to take out the mayor. It's literally on YouTube. It's fucking crazy. I'm like, holy crap. That's literally absurd. Bro, he literally had a dead-ass RPG, got out the little Jeep. He was hella confident, too, and he's like, poof, and I was like, right at the mayor's van, and the mayor survived. That was fucking crazy. Yeah, who's gonna carry the boats, y'all? We gotta carry the boats. Bro, that guy was hella... Yeah, you guys saw that video? He was hella confident, too. And it looked like I don't know if he hit it or what. I think he hit it. I can't tell. Oh, my God. Yeah, they literally stopped, pulled out... He literally pulled out just like an RPG like that. And I'm like, what? It literally like some straight Call of Duty shit. Like, literally straight out of a movie. I'm like, holy crap. Bro got a fucking RPG shooting at the mayor. Oh man, yeah, internet. I thought like the RPGs, they're not like the real movies in like video games, right? Like they like impact differently or something. Too easy. They don't know me, son. Hey, that's what the mayor is saying when he got hit with the RPG on his van. All right, 9:30 right here. Yeah, yeah. He literally was like, "They don't know me, son." Yeah, the car drove off. BGC. That's what I heard, John. I heard it was nice there. Yeah, it's like other countries too. It depends on the area as well. Like, there's obviously, like, anywhere in the world you go, there's gonna be, like, bad areas where you don't go to and stuff. Yeah, Toyota. Hey, dude, that should be a Toyota commercial. That literally should be a Toyota commercial. Do you guys have ever got shot at by an RPG and you guys want to get saved? Toyota. Get your Toyota Prius now. Hey, the Toyota stock price just skyrockets. Alright, guys, that was a nice trade, honestly. Yeah. Even though we were in drawdown a lot, guys, we sized down a little bit to 4 micros, and we had a wider stop. Yeah, that was a nice, what, 40 point trade or something? RPGs is crazy. Toyota, let's go. Oh, man. Yeah, that was a crazy video. He was hella confident, too. That should be a Toyota ad. Dude, Toyota, the stock prices freaking skyrockets. Hey, they should do a collab, Toyota and Geico. Geico. Hey, 15 minutes or less can save you from an RPG impact. Toyota and Geico. Yeah, Toyota, Hondas, dude, they're so reliable. Let's get a Toyota. People are hating on them, but hey, they work, man. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, they're going all crazy in the Toyotas, like whipping them, doing donuts. Hey, you guys gotta throw in a Honda Fit in there too. You gotta throw in a Honda Fit. It looks like a Prius, but it's not. Bro, I've been seeing after I posted that video, guys. I've been seeing so many freaking Honda Fits. I literally saw 3 silver Honda Fits yesterday. I'm not even joking. I saw 3 silver Honda Fits. I'm like, oh shit. 3 silver Honda. I'm like, what the fuck? Have you ever noticed when you think about a car or something, or you have a car, you see more of them lately? You think that's a coincidence or something? Or you think that's like the government trying to get us to buy more cars? Nice, Tommy. Yeah. Yeah, it's a GTA effect. Yeah, you guys notice that? You guys see them everywhere. It's kind of crazy. Hey, Illuminati confirmed. You guys think that? Literally, after I posted that video, I've been seeing Honda Fits like crazy. I'm not even joking. I'm like, where are these guys popping up of? You guys see this price action though? It reverses and just does like a massive pullback to the other direction. It's like, this is like weird pullbacks. Yeah, jokes aside, guys, this was literally a false breakout this morning. False breakout. Looked like it was going to keep falling short. This yeeted up 140 points. And then it looks like it's kind of doing it again. All right. Nah, we're coming back down. Very interesting price action, honestly. Very interesting. Yeah, it's a simulation. Guys, look at this dump. Dude, that's a 60-point candle right here. This is 60 points. It doesn't look that big, but it's 60 points. Perp, I don't know, man. This market's pretty tricky, honestly. Alright, I got a new 5-minute. So, I don't know. Today has been a lot of fake outs and a lot of reversals. So, we gotta definitely be more cautious. Yeah. Gains, yeah. Situation shit. Yeah, M5, there was a lot of manipulation. Yeah. I mean, look at this dump. Look, it looks like we're making a reversal. And look, dude, that's 100 points now. Do you guys see this? This is almost a 100-point drop right here. Jeez. Yeah, well, the breakouts have not been working this week, honestly. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see if it wants to break this one right here. 25,686, 87. Alright, this is the 4 hour. We have bounced a few times at the low of day today. But if we break below it, it's a nice gap. Yeah, look at this. It's popping right back up here, guys. Yeah, guys, this was like a 100-point dump right here. You guys see what I'm talking about? Like, it makes a reversal and just dumps. See right here. Make it look like it makes it coming back up. Then it just dumps. Should we just look for the dumps? Full port long baconator. Casinator with the baconator. Hey, when you get your first payout, you gotta get a baconator, man. You gotta get a baconator. A double cheeseburger with bacon? Oh, man. Guys, we're eating good. We're eating good. Oh, yeah. John with the beardinator, yeah. Guys, you guys see these reversals? Like, you guys are talking about, like, these big dumps. Looks like it's going to keep falling short, and it just reverses right back up. I mean, this candle right here is 60 points. These are big candles. Yeah, low-key gotta size down a bit. Yeah, this is literally a 100-point drop. Guys, this is 100 points. Almost like 95. Hey, 95. Who cares? Same thing. Yeah, I'm fine. We're just staying cash for a minute. Yeah, we have a new 15-minute and 6 minutes. The Choninator. What was the food I had yesterday? I forgot it was a Filipino food. Guys, I had sisig yesterday. It was really good. I already had sisig, the leftovers, before the stream. Yesterday, I didn't eat before stream. Today, I did. Yeah, guys. See ya, Zach. Thanks for tuning in, brother. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Zach, thank you. Hot queso burger? Yeah, have a great weekend, Zach. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I notice when I eat, because sometimes when I don't eat, I get hangry and impatient. I think we definitely got to eat before the streams now. Yeah. Guys, this is why I like to chat. Like, we literally talk about something different every day. Now we're talking about freaking burgers. Burgers. Emil, I'm staying cash at the moment. It's doing kind of tricky, weird business right here. Oh yeah, Gaines, I like your sense of humor. Chosen one, you better, man. Let the world know, like, yeah. Hey, you guys see that meme with Kanye? It's like when you get your first payout and it shows Kanye on a Joe Rogan podcast going like, how much does the earth cost? How much does the world cost? POV, you got your first payout. Oh man, yeah, guys. When I got that first payout and it hit my, I was really scared because I thought it was a scam and I wasn't gonna get the money. But as soon as it hit my bank account, I was hella excited. I was like, shit, this is fucking real. I started refreshing that shit to make sure it's real. I was like, yeah. I was like, this shit is real. Thank you, Internet. Have a great weekend, man. Appreciate you as always, brother. Thank you. Thank you, Internet. Yeah. How much does the earth cost? Oh, man. Yeah, that was a funny meme. They have some funny trading memes. I gotta. Hey guys, you guys want a new Giga Chad later tonight? I'm trying to do them once a week. A lot of you guys like the shorts with the Giga Chad and me with the Lamborghinis. I have a good one planned. I have a different one planned. It's like same thing but different wording. Oh yeah, yeah, John. We got some big fights. John, who you got? You got Lopez or Volk? I like Lopez's hair. It's pretty interesting. His hair's so wavy. There's like, I don't even know how to say it. I don't even know how to say his hair. He's got like a mustache with it. Mike Belfort. Oh, that's funny. Hey, keep jabbing, man. Keep jabbing. Yeah, honestly, it's gonna be a good fight. Honestly, who else is fighting tomorrow? Yeah, we got some good fights tomorrow. 2 UFC back-to-back weekends. Guys, what is this? Coming back down here. $23% noodles. Holy crap. Jeez. Oh my god. Wait, that was actually a big dump. Dude, we were at Dude, we were at the 120s. Guys, should we just go all in short silver? Holy crap. So, dude, this is a 2-point candle, yeah? So, this is literally $2,000, this candle. Almost $2,000 with 1 micro. Is that right? Oh my gosh. That's so volatile. 2,000, damn. Dude, that thing dumped. What goes up must come down, y'all. Alright, I don't know what we're doing right here. I don't know if we're just gonna... Because when it keeps coming down here, it keeps popping right back up. And I mean, that's like, what? 50, 60 points. Guys, these are 50, 60 point upswings. Very interesting. Yeah, that silver is crazy. I can't. I can't. You guys like say what? Like, you make so much in like a few seconds. I can't do that. Nah, that's too fast for me. It's too volatile. Emil, did you short? Your shorts paid for a bit. Five-minute bar break. Kosh, when you're copy trading, you can't do bracket orders, unfortunately. But I do it manually. So, like, alright, let's say I'm in a trade right here. Try to find an even number. Akash, right here, 680. So, let's say I enter a long right here. Right, Akash? I would calculate my risk, like, alright, if I have a 20-point stop, I'm in a long at this gray line. I have a 20-point stop loss. Let's say for 5 micros, because it's easier, I'm risking $200 basically for 20 points. If that makes sense. I do it manually. So it depends how many contracts you're trading and how big's your stop. Alright, it's coming back up here. Very interesting. Yeah, Gabriel, I try to stay out of the mid-ranges because I notice I get clapped a lot in them because, like, you could enter and you could be right, but then it does a pullback and then stops you out and then goes. So that's why I try to stay out of the middle of a range, honestly. But we shall see. Yeah, it's kind of dumping here again. Oh, we got Dan Hooker fighting Dennis, the French guy, tomorrow. Ooh, we got a heavyweight fight too. Oh shit, we actually got some decent fights. Yeah, we actually got good fights on the main card. Ugh. Hunt Brothers. I never heard of Hunt Brothers. Yeah. Gaines, you think all that treasure's still down there? Conspiracy. Okay. New 5 minute 30 seconds. Alright, new 5 minute right here, guys. Well, right now we're kind of in the middle of an area right now. That's why I'm kind of want to see where it wants to go. But I've noticed it just keeps popping right back up from this area. The 720s. The 705, like this area, just keeps popping right back up. So, Beyond Limits. Pretty good. We're up $250, 246. Nice long breakout to the upside right here. We almost got stopped out. I was in drawdown right away. But we're lowering our position size a little bit and having wider stops. To MNQ. Yeah, I want to see how it reacts here because it just once it reaches this area, it kind of just keeps popping back up. This market's a little tricky. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, right now it's kind of just bouncing right here again. Very odd. Ah, God, Kenji. Kenji, yeah. It sucks, man. It really does, honestly, but you just gotta learn from it. You gotta get better from it and learn not to do that. Have a daily loss limit in place. Kenji, yeah, it happens to a lot of people. That happened to me numerous times. Yeah, guys, if you have a payout locked in, you're like, oh, should I take another trade? Let's say you have a $1,000 payout locked in. Imagine someone handing you $1,000 cash right now. $1,000 cash in your hand. You want it or no? But if you take another trade, would you get mad at yourself if you didn't take that $1,000? If the answer is yes, then you probably shouldn't take the trade. It just happens. You just learn from it, Kenji, honestly. You can't dwell on it too much. Alright, coming back down here pretty kind of aggressively. Yeah, Gabriel. Yeah, honestly, I've grown a lot as a trader. I've grown a lot as a trader, like, compared to the previous years. And it's all from learning from your mistakes. Learning what you're doing wrong, what's going on, what you can improve on, why are you losing. My risk management got immensely a lot better compared to the last year, I'll tell you that. Especially on stream. Because honestly, guys, the old me would have blown these accounts already, like straight up. I'd probably be working on a new set of accounts, honestly, if I'm being honest. The old me. Due to over trading, over leveraging, getting angry on choppy days for no reason, literally no reason. Alright, let's see if it actually wants to bounce here again, or it actually wants to push lower. Got a new 5 minute and 45 seconds. I want to see where it wants to go. Michael, that's a win, man. If you followed your rules and everything went, even though you lost, and you followed your rules and you're not tilted, that's a win, man. Straight up. That's a great way. You should pat yourself on the back, honestly. Ah, Kenji. You can't, Kenji, like I said, you can't let it get to you, man. It'll just drag you down deeper, and it's not worth it, honestly. New 5 minute right here. So, yeah, Kenji, it's okay. Don't dwell on it too much. Just learn from it. Learn not to do that. Have a daily loss limit set in place. Like, even if you're up $800 on that account, right? Let's say, like, all right, I'll take One more trade, or if I get to a $500 profit, I'm immediately stopping. Like you gotta have like a rules in place with that. Yeah, I would like to see a nice flush to the downside again, but it's hesitating a lot in this area and it just keeps popping back up. So, on the way for confirmation. Barley, no, I do not use fibs. Exactly, Michael. If you followed your rules and you didn't get tilted and you're still over 3 in a day, that's a freaking win. Like, honestly, like, literally pat yourself on the back. That's literally being a good loser. You gotta be a good loser in trading. Like yesterday, guys, I lost $400 yesterday on each of these accounts. Yeah, I was a little annoyed. I was 3 losses, 1 winner. But guess what? Right after, I went straight to the gym, went on a walk, acted like, damn, hopping back. Dude, it's just bouncing so much right here. Damn. And then I still had a normal day. I didn't let it bother me. And that's a win. You can't let it bother you. You come into the new day, refresh, refocus. It's a new day. Honestly. Like, like yesterday, I learned, like, hey, I should have, on these more volatile days, wider stops and lower risk. You know what I'm saying? To adjust for that stop. So, stuff like that. You know, learn what you're doing wrong. What up, Leos? Leos, if you're up $800 on a day like today, dude, that's a freaking win. We're up 246, one trade. And I'm like, I'll freaking take it. I'll freaking take it. On a day like today. Gains, yep, absolutely. If they're making fun of you, calling you a loser, it's shaping you into being the best, ultimate trader in the whole entire universe. Yes. Absolutely, Gains, yeah. You're becoming a better version of... You're becoming a... Even though you haven't even... Like, let's say you haven't even traded yet and you're in, like, middle school and they call you a loser. Them calling you a loser then and now is shaping you 5, 10, 20 years down the line to becoming the best ultimate NASDAQ trader of all time. You don't see it now, but you'll see it in the future. Damn, what are these? Dude, this price is so tricky. I can't tell, honestly. Yeah, perp. I mean, look, we lost like 385 yesterday. I mean, guys, like, some people were like freaking out, like, oh my gosh, you lost $400. I'm like, it's really not that big of a deal, honestly. Like, I still had $1,000 left on the accounts. I think we managed our risk pretty well. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have taken that last trade, but after then and that, I immediately called it. I was like, no, I can't stop it. I mean, yeah, like, we're only down 450 on the week at the moment, you know. I mean, that's not bad. That's only 45 points on a choppy, slow, crappy week like this with a bunch of fake outs. I think we managed our risk really well, honestly, even though it was a really bad week. Yeah. Yeah, Lails. I mean, I think you did pretty well this week. Yeah, and especially if you're up 800 on the day, like literally, we got a new hour in 50 seconds. I want to see if it wants to break and make a new low of the day. But yeah, on a day like today, if you're up $800, like frickin' call that, bro. And your Friday, right? Gabriel, yeah, absolutely. Yep. Gates. All those guys. Hey, let's see if it wants to make a new low today. Hopefully, I don't want to break out this area, honestly. We got a new hour in 2 seconds. Our new hour candle, 10 o'clock. I would like to see another dump make a new low of the day. Guys, this red line is the low of the day. And then this green line is the high of the day, if you guys didn't know. So if we could break the low of the day and make a new low, continuation lower, that would be nice. I'd like to see that. What's up, Meeks? Great job, man. Great job. Meeks, I had a CC yesterday and CC this morning. My half Filipino's kicking in, man. It's pretty fire. Oh man, CC is delicious. Alright, I mean, I would really like to see another break. See, what I don't want to see is like a rip, and it's like a false breakout again, and it just rips up again. It's like such tricky price action. Because we've been seeing that. It makes a rip, makes like a low, and then it just rips up again, and does it right here. Rips up, makes a new low, rips up. So we gotta be a little more cautious on that. Yeah, I love CC. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, that's what I'm worried about. I do not want to just see, like, a literally, jokes aside, no turtle soup shit, literally a false breakout, and then rip on up again. And we've been seeing that a lot this week. So that's why we're being a little more cautious on that. Leos? Yeah, just DM me on Instagram. It's probably in my request box or something. Perp, exactly. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I'm working on it. Yeah, the consistency. My risk management has improved quite a bit this year. I'm not gonna lie, especially on the live stream. These accounts, like I was saying, if this is the old me and I wasn't streaming these, I would have blown these accounts already. I'm not even joking. Or I do not want to see. I would like to see a fall right here if it wants to continue lower. I do not want to see it fall back into this range, which it might. So that's why we're staying cash. Yeah, you gotta have your losers smaller than your winners. And you gotta think like, is this worth it? And knowing when to stop. Those are like big key things. Gandalf, no, but we've been having we're playing ping pong with these accounts. So we got the $3,600 payout with these accounts. But we've been just going back and forth from like 1,000 balance to like 1,700, 1,000. Like we're just going back and forth, honestly. But we're staying alive. I really do not want to buy more challenges, honestly. So, so we sized down to like 5 micros, Gandalf, and they're still alive. I mean, we're only $800 away from another payout. Yeah, no turtle soup. All jokes aside, no turtle soup shit. This is all false. Guys, is this literally another false? Like, literally, we're not even joking. Like, is this literally another false breakout? Tries to make a new low, then rips right back up into the range. It literally looks like it's doing that. And if it does, I mean, that's almost 100 points.
Order filled.
Might be a little risky, but I would like a breakout back into the upside. It's been doing this mumbo jumbo weird crap where it's like making a new low and then and then literally just going right back up. Like it makes a new low, looks like it's gonna break out and then rips up hard. Yeah. Sup, FL? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Yeah, hopefully February is pretty good, too. We had okay price action, but we've been seeing a lot of ranges and fake outs recently this month, so hopefully the price action is better. Turtle sushi! Come on, turtle sushi. I would like to see a breakout to the upside like right now for this to work. I do not want it to stall here. I do not like it when it stalls. Alright, new 5 minute, 10:05. Nice. I really want to see a break right here, this 710, 709 area. And then we can, that's another nice gap up right here. Alright, let's see that break. Let's see that break. Alright, it's at that level. Just tapped it. Nice. I'm gonna lower our stop. We're gonna put our stop loss to break even now. Okay. I do not want to see a pullback. I would like to just see a continuation up. This is a risk-free trade now, which is nice. That's what I don't want to see. I really don't want to see that. No. I mean, realistically, I would never get a full take profit right there, honestly. But I do not want to hold this for a loss. So that's why I moved it to break even.
Stop filled.
Stopped out, break even. At our peak, we're up like 20 points. But this, I would want it to like just keep on ripping, obviously, and gap up to the upside, because that's what we've been seeing. It's been going like a rip up and then just like pull back aggressively. That's why I put it to break even, because I do not want to be in that for a loss, especially if I was up 20 points. But realistically, I would have never took a full profit. Maybe I should have taken a partial right there, probably, honestly. But I mean, at our peak, we're up only what, like 20 points. So, whatever. Gains, I like taking long walks on the beach. Long walks on the beach, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, if you're like very uncertain in markets and you're still gonna take a trade, you could literally just like size down a bit. Like right now, we're only trading 4 micros. I mean, yeah. Yeah, that would have been a nice trade if it gapped up a continuation up. Like, yeah, perp. I could have literally saw that 750s if a continuation up easily, but there's just too much stalling right here. Yeah, Loki guys, Cam. Yeah, that's a good idea. Loki might just have to take like the smaller winners, like 20 points, and lock it maybe. Maybe. I like how we trimmed on this one, this trade. I like how we were trimming on the way up here because we noticed that it would do like aggressive pullbacks back down. So I really like how we trimmed on the way up here, honestly. So this trade was pretty good, honestly. I really like that trade. This one, like I said, I would have never took a full TP right there. Especially if that's the size of my stop loss, like 20 points. Yeah. Gains, yeah. What's like those cringy Chad things say that they try to do to impress women? Like, what do they say? Long walks on the beach. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Yeah, honestly, guys, this market is very tricky today. So, if you guys are up on the day, that's a win. It's like, honestly. Like, we're up 222 bucks. But it's just doing these weird mumbo jumbo like pullbacks. Or I got into a 5-minute right here. Yeah, I have a big yacht and a lot of cash. I have a Lamborghini Aventador SPJ. Okay, well, good thing we had our stop loss at break even, honestly, on that last trade. Because, like I said, I did not want to see a pullback and have a 20-point winner turn into a 20-point loss. I would have got really annoyed right there. So I'm pretty happy that we got out of break even. Like I said, if it gapped up here, that's what I was looking for. That would have been a nice 50, 60 point trade right there. But it didn't. It's just doing this weird mumbo crap. Yeah, Gandalf. I mean, dude, holy crap. Bro, this is 5 points. That's massive for silver, yeah? Guys, 87 to 82? Isn't that like $5,000 with one micro? This is a $5,000 move, this one candle with one micro. Guys, we could just get a payout right here. we just short silver. That's fucking wild. No, hell no. Holy crap. That's a 5 point candle. That's actually a 5.5 minute candle. Yeah, Moon, this was a pretty tough week, I'm not gonna lie. This was a really tough week. There you go, Emil. Well, now it's kind of looking like it's breaking a low, so I'm glad we got out of that trade break even. Yeah, John. Guys, we take out long walks on the beach, shirtless, with bacon grease from the Baconator all over us, trying to get a suntan. Yeah, I like taking long walks on the beach. Gandalf, well, I usually just trade minis. This is minis, or micros. And recently, we went on a losing streak with these accounts, and the market's been moving pretty, like, a little more volatile lately. So we sized down to micros. So times like this, I would switch to micros, but it really depends on your preference. I only trade Nasdaq anyways, so it depends on you. Yeah, I heard silver's been pretty crazy lately. I mean, you guys saw that freaking chart. I mean, look at that pullback. That's a big pullback for silver. Holy crap. Bro, this shit looks so dangerous. I'm not gonna even bother. Bearish? Yeah, it's crazy. H6? Yeah, again, if I use that, this is like the current month for NQ, so you can look up the current month. But I think the current month for gold, Gandalf, for gold is J. I think it's J. I'm pretty sure. But I think silver is H. But I think gold is J, right? I don't know. That's what someone said earlier, yesterday, I think. I think internet, yeah. Internet said that, yeah. Yeah, Mill, call it. If you're up, man, lock it in, bro. What's up, Bonnie? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Not bad. We had a one break even and one winner, so we're up $220. I mean, $222. Let's go. Meeks, you guys see this bass right here, Meeks? 10-pound largemouth bass, caught using my super top secret fishing technique and my super top secret fishing strategy. If you guys want to learn, link in my bio. Buy my course. And they always do at the end, limited spots available. Hurry, buy quick. People create a frenzy. They're like, oh, his spots are selling quick. I gotta jump in. Okay, Gaines. Yeah, what is it? Nay, I don't know how you traded the 5 seconds. That's crazy. 5 seconds must be moving like crazy quick. Yeah, I used the 5-minute chart. I've always liked it. And it works for me. Oh yes, Gaines. Oh yes. Yeah, I haven't tried ice fishing. It looks pretty cool. They have like they have the hole and they're like sitting on a bucket or a little chair. And they're just kind of jigging. We're trying to sick, Isaac. Guys, we have a new Chad video tonight. I gotta make a new Chad video for you guys. I'm trying to post them out on Friday nights because that's a great way to end a week and have like a little laugh. So, hey, we got another Chad video tonight. We'll call him the Chad. Yeah. Thank you, Gaines. Have a great weekend, man. Appreciate you for chatting in. Love your sense of humor, man. Peace out. There you go, Michael. Michael, call it a day, man. Straight up. Especially on a day today. Lock in that payout. Like, literally stop trading. Get that payout, Michael. Great job. Do you guys see those ice fishing where they're like in the like they have like a little tent and they have like a freaking camera on the bottom and they have the TV in their tent so they can literally see the fish going up to it and like looking at their lure and as soon as they bite it. So imagine like you have like a live read on the NASDAQ market. That's literally them but with fishing. Gabriel, yeah, we broke the low today, guys, right here, but we're seeing if it really wants to continue lower. Yeah, a lot of people have been telling me that 25Ks are pretty good because it's literally a 1-to-1 profit target and drawdown ratio, where all the other ones are a lot higher. Like it's what's it called? $1,500 drawdown, $1,500 profit target. You can request anything over $1,500, so that's pretty good. Where the 50K, I always use the 50Ks. I never thought about the 25Ks with TakeProfitTrader. Yeah. Yeah, aren't they doing a protest today or something? I heard they were doing a protest or something. Honestly, guys, I stay out of politics. I don't like politics. I don't like talking about it. I don't like listening about it. I don't know. It's just not me. I don't like politics. But I don't know. I heard that there's a protest or something going on. Yeah, Ani, I used the 50Ks. You have to make double the profit target, and you only have an extra $500 to work with. So, yeah, honestly, the 25Ks are kind of slept on because they're a true 1-to-1 ratio. Meeks, yeah, I've been trying to get into that. Do you guys have any like video recommendations for like order flow and bookmap or stuff like that? Because I'm actually like trying to learn that. I haven't actually like dove deep in it, but I really think it would help with my strategy, honestly. Yeah, I don't like talking about politics, Poopy. I mean, Poopy Meeks. It is Poopy. My bad. Yeah, I don't know why. I've never been a fan of it, honestly. I'm just kind of like, whatever. I'll just think about fishing or whatever. I'll just think about the charts. I'll just think about trading. Michael, yeah, it is nice with the TakeProfitTrader 150K count. It's hard passing and hard getting into the buffer. But then once you do get into the buffer, guys, the 150K count with TakeProfitTrader, I mean, you have $4,500 buffer. You could just trade like a smaller size and try and keep that count alive and request anything daily over $4,500. And if you have 5 accounts too, shit, I mean, that adds up, you know what I'm saying? Alright, 1020s. I want to see what it wants to do. Ramil, yeah, bookmap. Yeah, I heard people use Like the really good traders, they use order flow, bookmap, volume profile. Because it literally makes sense because it's literally like an auction. You can see where the buyers and sellers are and how many people are involved. Well, it looks like we're making a new low. We're just breaking the lows right now. Slam down. Slam it down. Oh, yes. Let's see, silver. Silver, 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 silver. Where are you? Damn! Silver's down, what, 30% today? Holy crap. 30%? Wow. Wow. FSTV, yeah, honestly, this week was very rough for me, too. I'm not going to lie. It was a pretty rough week. Pretty rough week. I'm not going to lie. It was very, very tough price action. FSTV. It's a cool name. FSTV back. Yesterday's lows, Emil. Right on, Michael. Yeah, I don't know, Cam. I don't know what... I honestly don't know anything about the metals, if I'm being straight up honest. Like, I don't know anything about gold or silver. But, dude, it's literally down so much. Holy crap. Where were we talking about it? Right here? Guys. If we literally just shorted silver with 1 micro, we would have got like a fucking 10 grand payout. Holy crap. Dude, we just play shorts. But look at those pullbacks. You guys see that? These are massive moves with silver right now. These are big moves. It's not too late. We would have literally got a 10 rack payout. Literally just short silver, guys. Nah, that's crazy. Nah. I don't have balls for that, honestly. I got balls, but I don't have balls enough for that, honestly. It's not too late. Jump in. Isaac, yeah. Yeah, those, even just the pullbacks are like astronomically large. We were literally talking about it and just dumped even more. Man. What's going on with silver? 30% though is crazy. That's, bro, 30% and a drop? I mean, shit, 10%. I mean, 10% on the day. 30%. The water's cold. Oh my gosh. Alright, I knew 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Yeah, you definitely would need a large buffer or a bigger account or both. And also, like, you probably gotta trade a small size. I mean, even 1 micros, people say is like so much on silver. Nah. I'll get some water. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Coming back up here. Emil, what are you thinking? We still looking short or bullish? Wow. That's absurd. Still falling. Scalping bias cam. Now what I noticed, it does like a rip down and it like pulls back and then it does another rip down. So just be a little cautious on that. Big green candle coming in here. I want to see if it rejects off here or it breaks up again and makes a bigger push up. Nice, Cam. Cam, those are paying, bro. Guys, do you know how to add VWAP on Tradovate? You guys know how to add VWAP? Or I want to see if it rejects here again or what. Wow. Guys, this is 100 points again. Do you guys see these 100-point swings? This is 100 points. Thank you, Kieran. Thank you, thank you. Alright, new 5-minute. I'll look at it after the stream, Kieran. Thank you. Look at this dump. Yeah, it happens, man. I can't say her name. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, today's price action is pretty rough for a lot of people, honestly. Yeah. Today, guys, I would definitely like it happened yesterday too. My stop losses were too tight. Like I was having like what 15-point stop losses. Today, yeah, I probably that's why I sized down. Why I sized down and like doing like 20-25 point stop losses, cause it's just moving really quick and it's doing a lot of wiki stuff. So it's just learning and adjusting that, right? But what we've been seeing is like it makes a pullback down lower, rips up like 100 points, rips on down lower, makes another pullback, rips on lower, makes a big pullback. So we shall see. All right. Well, looks like it's coming back down here. That's what I'm worried about. Makes a big pullback to the upside, then just rips on down. Guys, look at this. Look at this reversal. Very interesting price action. Kieran, yeah. It's just making these big pullbacks and then ripping on down and making a new low for the day. Damn, let's see this flush right here. See if it wants to break this. Wow. Guys, this is an 80-point candle. This is literally an 80-point candle right here, guys. Wow, these are massive swings. Kieran? Kieran, if you're... Yeah, that was quite a fake out. Kieran, if you're up to date, that's a great day, man. The fact that you can trade this is pretty impressive. We have a lot of fake outs. We've been seeing so many fake outs this week. Look at this. That was a 100-point rip up to the upside. Just dumped. All right, we got to do 5 minutes in 3 seconds. Yeah, I like shorting too. I like shorting because it's like kind of weird. It's like you're making money when the price is going down, which is like usually like, oh, people when you talk about stocks and trading, they think, oh, the price always needs to go up. But it's like you can make money on it going to the downside, which is pretty cool. It's just cool seeing the chart go down and you're still making money. It's kind of cool shorting. But you gotta learn to do both. Dude, look at this dump. Yep. Yeah, you can make it real quick. Let's see if he wants to continue lower or just like fake out again and to come right back in this range. No way. Bro, do you guys see these reversals? Thank you, Isaac. Thanks for tuning in, brother. I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend. Yeah, Emil, it's always that saying. It's like you gotta learn when to fold them, learn when to hold them, and learn when to walk away. That song. It's very true. Very, very, very true. It's like, guys, you can just exit the trade. Just exit. Just hit that exit at market. Just get out. If you're feeling very uncomfortable and you don't like it, you literally just get out. Look at this reversal. Damn. Look at this. Is a 80-point candle, guys. 80-point dump. We had a 100-point swing to the upside. 80-point dump. And it looks like it's coming right back up here. So, I mean, today is kind of playing off the reversals, honestly. Or going with the momentum of where it's going at the moment. Gabriel, yeah, I know. You see that? Like, this would fake out a lot of people. Longs and shorts. Because you would probably short like, oh, it's going to make a new low day. Then it yeeted right back up, stop you out. Right here. Oh, another reversal. It's probably going to rip off long. Go up here. Rip on down. Tons of fake outs. A lot of reversals. Very tricky. So if you can trade this market, that's very impressive, honestly. Yeah, look at it. It's coming right back up. This is an 80-point candle. That's a big candle. Gabriel, yeah. Right when you get your first funded account or something too. All right, we had amazing price action. I got my funded account. We got it passed. Let's go trade it. And then this is the type of price action you get. Oh man, I've been there before, man. I'm like, what the heck just happened? It's like you feel like you can't even trade anymore. Yeah, Trent. This is very tricky, honestly. Like, I really have no idea. I honestly don't. No, you're good, Kieran. No, it's good to chat, man. You can say all you want. Bread and butter. I mean, guys, honestly, the fact that we're up $220 on a day like this, I think that's pretty good. Like, honestly. One win, one break even. That's pretty damn good, honestly, shit. Especially seeing the price action we've been seeing this whole week. I mean, I think that's pretty solid. Yeah, Gabriel. Oh man, last year, what is it, around like April? Oh man, those were going crazy. Crazy. Alright, new 5-minute right here. We were literally having like what, 100-point candles? Like a normal candle was 100 points on the 5-minute. Like it was like a normal candle, 100 points. I'm like, what the heck? Yeah, Cam, honestly, that's still a small loss. If you're down 300, that's literally nothing. You can literally make that back on one trade, man. Honestly. Especially on a day-to-day, if you manage your risk very well. Like, so many people got faked out. Like, I would be getting faked out too, honestly. Like, it's literally a bunch of fake outs, reversals. Like, they literally dumped hard, recovered 100 points, fell 80 points, and it looks like it's making a recovery again. Nice, Emil. Yeah, I gotta learn that stuff. Order flow. Gabriel, you probably don't even want to know. Massive swings. Damn, bro. Imagine all the people that bought silver or something yesterday. Imagine all the people that bought silver yesterday. Like, oh, no, it's going to make new highs. Dumps 20, 30%. Oh, my gosh. Oh, gosh. Yeah. Yeah, they definitely got cooked. Imagine literally buying silver yesterday. Alright, no, it's gonna keep going up. This is a great investment. Literally waking up the next day, seeing it down 20, 30 freaking %. Oh, man, I'd be pissed. I'd be pissed. I'd be like, what the heck? Instantly down 20, 30%. Man. Yeah, bearish. It always feels like that. It's like the market makers are knowing our every move. What up, BWX? What's up, brother? Yeah, at this point, honestly, Gabriel, at this point, it's literally a meme at this point. It's a new GME. Oh, I bet Cam, yeah, they're not looking happy this morning. No bueno. Gosh. Such a rip up. Like, what is this dump? Yeah, Mill. Guys, you guys gotta know what you're getting yourself into. You gotta know what you're investing in. You gotta do a lot more research, y'all. Holy crap. Venture, jeez. Oh my god. Yeah, Leos, honestly, call it a day, yeah. Yeah, call it a day, guys. Take care, Leos. Alright, Emil, appreciate you, man. Thanks for tuning in like always. I really appreciate you. Always. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Oh, yeah, bearish. Yeah, you know a lot of people are buying it. And like, oh, no, this is a great buy. And then it just rips on, makes a new low for the day. Gosh. Hey, Bearish, how'd you like my course? You bought my, my Chad course? My Giga Chad course? Dabda, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, these are, I mean, dude, this is literally 80 points. This one red candle is 80 points. Freaking crazy. All right, guys, I'll probably end the stream soon, probably like 4 or 5 minutes. So if you guys got any questions or comments, let me know. We're pretty much gonna be calling it a day on these accounts. We're up 222 bucks. We took a nice long right here, breakout to the upside. I was in drawdown right away and it almost stopped me out, but we sized down and I literally sized down and had a wider stop, and then it ran up like 30, 50 points or something. I forgot. I think it was like 40 points. I'm not sure. But it was a nice long entry, nice long, and we caught a nice play. Then we took another long, I think down here, somewhere. Yeah, I think right here. And at our peak, we're only up 20 points, and then I put my stop loss to break even, and we got stopped out at break even. But today was a ton of fake outs, ton of reversals this whole week, honestly. So we're only down 480 bucks on the week. That's nothing. We can literally make that back on one good day, and we're up 22. Like, guys, people were freaking out like, oh, I'm down $400 yesterday. It's not that big of a deal. Like, we already made up half the gains from yesterday. I mean, half the losses from yesterday, just off basically one trade. So it's not that big of a deal. We still have $1,200 left in these accounts. Bearish, yeah. Yeah, you gotta wait for the stars line. It's definitely in the course. You gotta read the fine print and everything. Bearish, we got another Giga Chat video tonight. We got another one. People like those ones. They're fun to make too. I'll try to post one like once a week or something. They're pretty fun to make. I just made $1 million today, day trading the NASDAQ market. Using the moon title strat. Look at this. Like, you guys are seeing what I'm talking about? Like, massive rip up, pullback, then an 80-point dump. Looks like it might make a new low. Nah, it just eats right back up. Alright, Bears, y'all. I'll post a new one tonight for y'all. It's a good way to end Friday. Laugh it out. Look at this. This is a big rip up again, guys. Super tricky. Alright, guys, I'm gonna call it here. Awesome week streaming, awesome day streaming. I appreciate y'all for watching like always. Yeah, we had a pretty rough week, honestly. But like Monday, we took 3 losses, down like 300 on the day or something. No trades on Tuesday. I was really happy with that day, honestly. Break even on Wednesday, then down 400 yesterday. But we're up $200 today. We've been seeing a lot of fake outs and reversals this week, and we were right a lot of the times, but we were just getting it at the wrong timing. That's what we went in going into today, as having a lower risk and having a wider stop. My 15 point stop losses were getting wrecked, and we started using 20 to 25 point ones today, and they worked out on this trade. So very nice. So appreciate y'all like always. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys Monday for live streaming at 9 a.m. PST, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. PST. Have a blessed, amazing weekend. Don't overtrade. Don't over leverage on a day like today. Call it a Friday. If you took a loss, it's okay. Move on to next week. If you took a win, call it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. $200 on a day like this. I'm happy with that, honestly. No reason to push it on a day like this. So appreciate y'all like always. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend.